In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to recover deleted Snapchat messages, photos, videos, and chats. First, open Snapchat. Now click on your profile icon. Once you're on the profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now scroll down, head over to the option My Privacy and Data. Under that, you're gonna find the option My Data. Click on that. Then click on the option Manage My Data. Here you can choose the type of data you want to recover, such as chat history, chat media, exported stories, and other available data options. After selecting the data you need, tap Next and choose the time range for the data, such as last year, last month, last week, or even yesterday. Once you have made your selection, tap Submit and Snapchat will begin preparing your data export. This process can take some time, ranging from a few hours to a few days. When your data is ready, you'll be able to download it to your device. On an iPhone, the file will appear in the Files app, and on the Android devices, it will be in the File Manager. The download will be a zip file, so tap on it to unzip the contents. Open the extracted folder and access the HTML files to view your deleted chat history, photos, videos, and other information. You may need to browse through different files to find exactly what you are looking for. That's how you can recover your deleted Snapchat data. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.